Free carpet cleaning? Yes, you heard that correctly. Free carpet cleaning. JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, here to explain our free carpet cleaning guarantee. How does the free carpet cleaning guarantee work? Well, if you are charged more than your EXACT-imate, your carpet cleaning is completely free. So you either pay exactly what you're quoted or you pay nothing. It's a win-win for you. What's an EXACT-imate, you wonder? An EXACT-imate is an exact price based on the number of areas you tell us you want cleaned. We then send you an EXACT-imate with a total price and a per area price via text. We give a total price and a per area price because more often than not, customers will add areas once we arrive, or they miscount how many areas they thought they actually had. As long as the number of areas doesn't change, you'll be charged exactly what your EXACT-imate is. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what's an area? Rooms, bedroom, living room, dining room, family room, etc., are all areas. Stairways are an area, and hallways are an area if they are more than 15 feet long. If they are shorter than 15 feet, they are included. Living room and dining room combos are usually 2 areas. Closets and areas already being cleaned are included with the room. Another way to put it is like this. If it's a room when you buy it or it's a room when you sell it, it counts as a room when we clean it. OMG Carpet Cleaning, 770-652-0630, or on the web at gwinetteomg.us. Again, that's gwinetteomg.us